I wanted to shoot a quick video just to explain how to be able to succeed and keep track of everything. So the platform, the way it works is that all the data automatically gets fed into here. So this is your opportunities section. These are all the leads that have come in so far for this month. Then you also have your reply to automations. So this is the automated sequence that goes out, that text message initially that interacts with them to make them respond quickly. Then the conversations, if you're in a conversation with someone, appointments set, on credit repair plan, and also applications submitted. So you're able to track all of this data across these fields so that you're staying on top of each and every one of your leads. Now, all you have to do is just click on a lead to be able to open up their information quickly. You can even call them directly from here. You can message them as well, email, text message, whatever it might be. You can see what tags have been added to it. You can even set appointments from here as well too. So this is going to be your main hub where pretty much everything lives. And you're able to even select different types of pipelines. So let's say you're a specific pipeline for reverse mortgages. Maybe you're a VA. You don't have to keep everything all in one. You keep everything separate so you can track that data more accurately. So I just wanted to show you the opportunities tab, how to be successful inside of our platform, and some of the best practices used is to keep track of everything in here, moving to each section and being able to see where everything's at so you know how to effectively attack the next move that needs to be done for you.